Hello. U.S. stock futures edged down today following yesterday's positive session, during which the indices were supported by the private job growth data that came in much lower than expected. Traders are now eagerly awaiting the initial jobless claims due today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time and the non-farm payrolls data due tomorrow at the same time. The data will either confirm that the labor market is indeed slowing or show yesterday's data to be a fluke. Oil prices are heading towards another day of steep losses after losing around $5, equivalent to about 5.5% during yesterday's session. This was the sharpest one-day loss in more than a year, prompted by the slowing demand reflected in the sudden increase in U.S. gasoline stockpiles. The reaffirmation that Saudi Arabia and Russia's output cuts will last till the end of the year was not able to limit the sell-offs. As of 7 a.m. Eastern Time, oil is hovering around $82.7, experiencing a 2% drop. Rivian yesterday announced plans to sell $1.5 billion worth of convertible green bonds, causing shares to tumble in after-hours trading. Convertible bonds can be dilutive when converted into shares and are typically seen negatively by investors when issued. The bonds will mature in October 2030, at which investors will be given the option to convert the bonds into cash or shares in the company. The decision comes at a time when EV startups are struggling to keep up with market leader Tesla, while also dealing with an unstable market. Ford Motor posted a 7.7% increase in third-quarter unit sales in the U.S. yesterday, lifted by strong demand for its pickup trucks and a surge in hybrid vehicle sales, which rose by a whopping 41.4%. The numbers support Chief Executive Jim Farley's decision to change Ford's approach, offering buyers more variety in the form of hybrid vehicles, instead of focusing on going solely electric. According to Farley, the company expects hybrid sales to quadruple in the next 5 years. As Phillip Capital Team, we wish you happy and healthy days.